If you've ever solved a hard problem by arguing with yourself in the shower, you're not alone. It turns out the world's smartest AI models are doing the exact same thing. A new paper from Google, the University of Chicago, and the Santa Fe Institute just dropped a bombshell. Advanced reasoning models like DeepSeek R1 and QWQ don't just think more, they simulate a quote-unquote society of thought. For years, we thought scaling meant building a bigger, faster engine. But the researchers found that enhanced reasoning actually emerges when the model starts implicitly simulating multiple personalities that debate each other inside its own head. We are talking about a multi-agent world model that exists entirely within a single window of inference. How do we know? The researchers tracked the model's internal traces and found them embodying distinct conversational styles. In one organic chemistry problem, DeepSeek R1 didn't just output steps, it simulated a conflict between different socio-emotional roles. It literally started giving opinions, disagreeing with its own previous steps, and reorienting its strategy like a frantic lab team trying to avoid an explosion. In a creative writing task, the researchers found 7 distinct perspectives emerging. You had a creative ideator with high openness trying to spice up the prose, and a systematic fidelity checker with high neuroticism basically yelling, "Stop it! That's scope creep! Stick to the original prompt!" Even in math, the behavior shifts. At step 40, the model acts like a basic calculator. But by step 120, it starts using the pronoun we. It says things like, "Again, no luck for us," or "Maybe we can try negative numbers." It's no longer a solo act, it's a collective of simulated personas coordinating to find the truth. This confirms the Janus theory from 2022, the idea that LLMs aren't oracles or assistants, they are simulators. To solve a hard problem, the model has to simulate a world where that problem is being solved. And because the most effective way to solve hard problems in the real world is through diverse debate, the model grows a committee to handle the workload. The scary part? Nobody told it to do this. This behavior emerges spontaneously during reinforcement learning. When we reward a model for being right, it discovers that being a group of people is more accurate than being one bot. The smarter these models get, the more they develop a theory of mind, not just for us, but for the multiple versions of themselves. We are not building a digital god, we are building a digital boardroom. And in 2026, the most important skill for AI might just be its ability to handle its own internal HR department. This has been the state of the simulation. I'll see you in the next one.